Listen to that beautiful sound bubble. That's lightning. It helps add some nitrogen to the rain. And it rained today. Trust me. Got 1 yard cut with lawnmower, went to weed eat. Got a little weed eating done. Boom, it rained. Had to wait it out. Rain got through, finished weed eating. Then went to the other yard, got all the grass cut. Same process. But this time, instead of being close to something and getting under shelter, well, I got caught in rain, but waited it out, got the weed eating done, boom, came home. Rained again a little bit, but we need the rain. Thank you, dear Heavenly, for the rain, because the grass can grow and I can mow. So, see y'all later. Have a nice one.